Hey everybody, it's Neil with NeilSarap Barbecue, and today we're going to be doing a short video on how to brine your turkey. Brining is the most important step on making the most flavorful and juicy holiday turkey that you can make, one that you'd be proud of, one that you can serve and feel confident that you're going to be providing the best bird you can. So the very first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and take the turkey out of the package and trim away anything that's not needed in our cook. Our first step here, we're going to peel this out of the plastic. Have some of the probably the gizzards and the hearts and whatnot. And last but not least, we've got the turkey neck. This will be great for making a broth soup later on. With any of the other leftovers and trimmings. We've got our pop-up thermometer. Don't need that. Once we get everything trimmed out of here, then we're just going to trim this off here. I'll skip ahead. Trim any of the excess fat and skin off. Put that aside. And the tail, we won't be needing the tail either. All right. Make sure there's nothing else hiding up in this bird. Contraband. Alright, so now we're going to get down to the basics of the brine. This is a technique that I learned from Alton Brown about 15 years ago, is using a water cooler from Home Depot, or Lowe's has one available as well. And what this does is it allows you to put your brine solution, put the bird in, pack some ice on top, and not have to take up any room in your refrigerator. Once you put the lid on it, you can set it aside on the floor somewhere and not have to worry about it. Alright, so the ingredients for our brine solution is going to be 3/4 of a cup of kosher salt, 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar, or you can use corn syrup, 1/3 of a cup of my Dayum all-purpose rub, and that's going to be for every 1 gallon of water. So what you can do is you can put your turkey into the cooler, fill it up, and see how much water it displaces. Once you pull the turkey out, you can measure out how much water that the turkey displaced, so you'll know how many gallons you're going to need. All right, so now that we have everything mixed and dissolved, we're going to go ahead and put our turkey in. We're going to pick it up from by the legs here, and then we're going to put it in so the breast is facing down. And this is a 26-pound turkey, so it's going to be taking up a lot of room in this cooler. All right. So we've got this turkey now in here, and we're going to add ice to cover, and we'll be all set. So I've got some ice, and then we're going to go ahead and put the lid on. Take our gloves off. Everything that the turkey has touched, you're going to want to sanitize. I use some Clorox wipes, countertops, the lid, everything that's been touched. We're going to take care of it, make sure that's disinfected. So we're all set. What we're going to do, the recipe is 1 hour per pound. So the 26-pound turkey, we're going to take it from 20 to 26 hours to get a full brine on this bird. So for our next video, we're going to start with taking the bird out of the brine, patting it dry, and prepping it for cooking. So look forward to that next video, and we'll see you soon.